back the car and go down.
If you love your family, turn back. If you love your family, you can go on. Now you like. Hello, sir. Turn back the car and go down. Turn back the car. And we are done around here, man. I said that there's no danger, brother. Eh?
You said water on the road around there?
Dangerous, man. Dangerous, man.
So the road covered? The road covered around there?
Yes. Ribis corner. Danger.
Yeah, what's around there?
This highway, you know. Watch out. Me a pass for Rasta. Take time. Go on to Rasta. Go on, Rasta. Go on. Don't stop, Rasta. Don't stop. Don't. Watch it. Watch it. Serious thing I go on, brother. This is normal, brother. Brother, watch it. Brother, hold that turn. Make you come up.
Road and then do this a broke way. Watch it.
And 9 mile bridges are going, so. Eh? Is that the bang? Eh? What are you trying to say there?
A pro boxer is a boat right now. It's a boat this. Cause swim it a swim. Pine tail, water mount. Grace are dealing them away.
Arlington town.
I try to understand.
Water high on the road.
The latest numbers, 600 and
Water high. And the breeze a blow strong.
41.6.
Water high. You see that something here? It come catch you half yard in Jamaica.
Also on Twitter.
Yeah, it catch you half yard.
And is almost completely.
Enough people there work, we should have done our work. Enough things are going, we should have locked down.
Yes.
Alright, now somebody better pick up at the health center. Where them should even out us another rain for God, another health center.
And now look where we are. I feel